Here is the problem with AI today. It lives inside a box. You type, it responds, but it cannot touch your files, your calendar, your database, or your code. It only knows what you paste in. That is a massive limitation. Before MCP, every developer built their own custom integration. Want AI to read your Slack? Build a connector. GitHub? Build another one. Each tool spoke its own language. Fragmented, brittle, and a maintenance nightmare. Enter MCP, Model Context Protocol, an open standard released by Anthropic in 2024. It defines a universal language between AI models and the tools they connect to. One standard for everything. Think of it like USB-C. Before USB-C, every device had its own plug, total chaos. Then one connector solved it all. MCP does the same thing for AI, one protocol, any tool, any model. MCP has three parts. The host, that is your AI app like Claude or Cursor. The MCP server, a lightweight wrapper around your tool. And the MCP client, the bridge that connects them. The host talks to the client talks to the server, and suddenly AI has hands. Here is how a request actually flows. You ask a question. The AI decides it needs external data and reaches out through the MCP client. The MCP server receives the request and fetches real, live information. That data flows back to the model, and you get an answer grounded in actual reality, not a guess. What can MCP servers actually do? Read and write files, query databases, search the web, execute code, call external APIs, control applications. Basically anything a computer can do, AI can now do through MCP. This is not theoretical. GitHub's MCP server lets AI browse your repos. Slack's lets it read your messages. Google Drives lets it search your documents. Postgres MCP queries your database directly. These exist right now. They work today. This changes everything. Before MCP, AI answered from memory and hoped it was right. After MCP, AI acts on the real world. It reads live data, writes files, takes real actions. It becomes a true agent, not just a chatbot. And because it is an open standard, anyone can build MCP servers. To sum it up, host, client, server, one open protocol, infinite possible tools, AI that does not just talk, it does. That is MCP. Subscribe for a new AI concept, explained visually every single day.